Hello everyone, I am Mannat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is again all about DIYs. DIY is a word which consists of hundreds of topics, and picking one of the topic from those is a really hard task. And for today's video, I picked up the topic DIY gift ideas. I try to make everything simple and with easily available materials. My first gift idea is a simple but really pretty and beautiful craft. I just made it using paper. Glue is not required for making this particular craft. Moreover, it is in blue color, and blue color is my favorite color. You can use any color combination for this. I used blue and black. Alright, coming on to the second craft. It is a paper gift cone. It is a very common idea, but the way it turns out looks so elegant, and I made it using pattern paper. You can also use color paper for making this, or you can also design a pattern paper at your home itself. The next gift idea is a reusing idea. I reused a small cold drink plastic bottle. This idea is so cute, and again you can use any color combination for making this gift idea. Okay, so coming on to the last gift idea of this video, I made a paper cake gift box. When a birthday party or any celebration is going on, you can just keep the gift box on the table and fill that gift box with gifts and chocolates, and it's just gonna look so beautiful and cute. So yeah, these were all the gift ideas, and I'm thinking of making fluid art hopefully next week. So yeah, I did a community post yesterday, so make sure to vote there if you haven't. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. The list of material requirements will be in the description, so you can go and check it out. Starting with the first DIY, take a black paper and follow the steps as shown in the video. Take a scale and a pencil and mark lines on every 1.5 centimeters. Cut all the lines with a scissor. Take two pieces of blue color paper. Here I am using white pen for writing on the black part. If you don't have a white pen, then you can also use black pen. Just write everything on the blue part instead of black. Take a ribbon, hang a tag and knot the ribbon. Starting with the second DIY, it's a very easy paper craft. You will easily understand the steps given in the video. Here I am using a pattern paper of 15 into 15 centimeter. You can take a longer or a shorter size. It depends on you. Coming on to the third DIY, I made this using a plastic bottle of a cold drink. If you don't have a plastic bottle, you can also use glass bottles. Now we have to make a paper roll. So for making a paper roll, you will be needing a sewing needle. If you don't have such a long sewing needle, then you can also use the pan refills. Coming on to our fourth and the last DIY of this video, I used a little thick paper of green color. Here I am using pink 3D outliner for making the frosting. If you don't have a 3D outliner, then you can also use Puffy Paint. If you don't have a Puffy Paint, then you can also use acrylic colors. At last, I pasted a Pom Pom on top of it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If yes, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell. It would mean me a lot. As I said that I am thinking of making fluid art, so do let me know in the community post by voting. I did a community post yesterday, so yeah, make sure to vote there. And if you have not visited my website, then the link is given in description. You can go and check it out. And yeah, thanks for watching.